Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda CRV brake light. First, gather your essential tools for this simple repair. You will need both a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb, either a 7440 or 7443, depending on your specific model. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to prevent any damage. Now, let's access the brake light assembly. Begin by opening the rear tailgate of your Honda CRV completely. Inside the tailgate, you will find two screws holding the interior trim panel in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these two screws. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the trim panel, revealing the brake light housing. With the light housing exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket. Before reassembling, have someone press the brake pedal to ensure the new light illuminates correctly. Now, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Carefully align the interior trim panel and snap it back into position. Then reinsert the two screws you removed earlier. Give your brake pedal one final test to confirm everything is working perfectly. Before you go, remember to check the video description for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.